Hi friends, we're having a Jet Mini radio repaired today. I received two, and one isn't working properly. On one radio, it seems like the microphone or speaker isn't working properly, as the sound is very weak and practically inaudible. Let's troubleshoot. I suspect that either the speaker on this radio is not working or the microphone on the other radio is not working. I've checked the speakers are working. Let's check the microphone on the radio. The radios are picking up each other. I added a microphone to the radio I suspected was the problem, and it didn't change anything, so it's not the speakers or the microphones that are the issue. When connected, one radio is loud, while the other is quiet. It seems as if the sound amplifier microcircuit is not working. If you press a button on one radio, the sound on the other is very quiet, but on the other it works fine. I have suspicions about the audio amplifier chip. I'll show you where the amplifier chips are now. I'll try swapping them around and see if the issue with the radios changes. I also read that there's a noise-cancelling microcircuit here. In theory, if I swap them around, the radio that wasn't working should work again. Now we need to wait for the board to cool, and then we'll assemble and test it. Right now I have a radio in my hand that wasn't working properly. Let's test it. The radio started working. Was I right? As you can hear, the sound has become loud, as it should be. Let's assemble the second one. It should stop working if the problem is in the microcircuit. Oh, and the second one works too. As you can hear, they both work now. I suspect there was a micro crack on one of the microcircuit pins, and the radio wasn't working properly due to poor contact. It seems likely that the micro crack formed on the microcircuit pins or adjacent components after the fall. But I soldered with a hairdryer and heated the entire microcircuit area, so the problem was somewhere in the microcircuit. Let's check the radios.
О, видите, заработало и та.
Раз. Раз.
Done, friends. The radios are repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos. Bye.